Hello guys, what is going on? Back again with another review. This is the Oukitel C19, an ultra budget smartphone for around $60 to $80. These are our specs: a 6.49 HD plus display, Android 10 Go, and the MediaTek 6737. I had to show my face to show my disappointment for this chip because it's so bad. This chip is so bad because it's slow, it's very old. It's like, I think this chip is like 3 years old at this point. I don't know why companies keep using it. We do have some decent camera specs, decent battery size at 4000 milliamp hours. And yeah, these are our main specs. Let's open this up. Okay. We just have a bunch of warranty stuff in here. And the phone itself. And I don't remember what... Okay, this is a pretty cool color. Okay, so the battery is removable. Never mind, it's not removable. The back is removed for the SIM. Yep, battery is not removable. It's not removable. Oh my god, the case is stuck to the back of the phone. Oh, there you go. Phone feels pretty big in the hand. Kind of cheap, but not that cheap. In the box, we just have our charging cable and our charging brick. We have USB-C, which is pretty weird to see in this price range, but yeah, kudos to Oukitel for adding a USB Type-C. Alright, let's see if we have some juice, because, yeah. Oh, we have juice. Alright, that's a nice surprise, because the other phones I reviewed of this chip didn't have any battery left. I had to connect it to a charger for like 10 minutes before it would power on, but yeah, this one's powering on. Okay, so the display looks pretty decent. The top display looks nice. We have a bit of a bottom bezel here, but it's not really that big. Really can't complain for the price. So I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. So here we go, guys. The phone is all set up. I used it for a bit. It is slow, but not as slow as the other phones I used with this chip, despite the heavy skin it has. So far it has been usable. You know, I went to the Play Store. I already installed 2 apps. You know, let's open that real quick. Yeah, I know it's not that bad. So we're gonna start off by testing the 2 games we have. Okay, that lagged. Yeah, that's lagging. Let's see how it is without ads. Nope, it's still... Now it's not even working. It's not even working anymore. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nothing. I can't do anything. Nothing works. Let's try knife it again. We're done here. We're done. And oh my god. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. It might settle. Okay, this... Okay. It's not settling. Okay, no, it's not playable. I'm going through the... what? I can't even... The game's so laggy. The physics don't even work here. Even the ads are lagging. The speaker is on the back. Why? 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 Okay, so the speaker is actually pretty good. It's a tiny bit too quiet, but the quality is nice. The bass is nice. I heard a tiny bit of distortion when the sea sounds came, when the ocean sounds came. But other than that, the speaker is pretty good for a $60 phone. Alright, now let's test the camera. That took a while. Let's check our settings. Doesn't show how many megapixels, so we're just gonna assume that it's already at the highest settings. Alright. Take a first selfie, I guess. Okay guys, let's go outside. We are facing video on the Oukitel C19 720p, and the viewfinder is stuttering. As you're watching this, you probably know by now if it's stuttering or not for you guys, but for me, through the viewfinder, it is stuttering. Now, it also stutters like crazy when you're just trying to take pictures, so like the viewfinder for taking pictures, it stutters even worse than this. Like so when you're taking pictures, you have to have a lot of patience, but overall the quality doesn't seem that bad, especially for the $60 that I paid. So yeah. Front-facing video on the Oukitel C19. I don't know what quality this is. It says QVGA, so I'm guessing it's either 480p or less than that. I don't know. So the viewfinder is stuttering here as well. I'm just walking around, and yeah. Looking through the phone, it doesn't look that bad. So yeah. Alright, let's take a look at our settings over here. Let's see what we have. Okay. We have face unlock, true screen lock, password. Okay. I only have... Oh, okay, here we go. Other password types. Pattern. Here we go. Alright, let's register. Alright, let's test it out. I like the lock screen, don't you guys? Looks pretty good. Cannot detect face. I'm gonna bring it close up. Cannot detect face. Click icon to retry. Okay, I'm gonna try and show you guys. Not working. Let's tap the icon. Ah, it worked. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay, so the face unlock isn't so good. I don't know if it's because I set it up in a bad way or what, but either way, like even if you set it up in the best way possible, I don't imagine that it's gonna be that good. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. I tested all the major functions of the phone. Don't go in the comments like, oh, I didn't test the phone call there. Guys, it's a phone. I know these kinds of phones. The phone calls is gonna work. So should I get this phone? No. It's just way too slow. I bought this for $60, but they're selling it now for like $80, $90, and no, absolutely not. Do not get this for that price. I mean, the phone is slow. It's hard to use, even for people who are used to budget phones. It's just gonna drive you insane. If you do decide to buy this phone anyway, then I mean, I think like after you use it for a little while, the phone's gonna settle and it's gonna perform a tiny bit better. I think it's because I just set everything up, and that's why maybe. But either way, no matter how long you let the phone settle for, I mean, it's always gonna be slow. The specs are weak. It's gonna be a slow phone. And don't go into comments like, what did you expect? It's a cheap phone. It's only $60. And like I said in my previous videos, I have tested phones in this price range, which actually work pretty well. I mean, why would you buy this phone when you can spend $30 more and buy something that's actually usable, like the Oukitel C18 Pro? That's a great smartphone. It has great specs, great everything, and it's fast. It's not slow, it doesn't lag. If you want to use this phone for like the most basic functions possible, then yeah, I guess it's a good buy. But for those of you who want to play games, who are heavy users, yeah, I suggest look elsewhere. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave me in the comments down below. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.